Yeah, so let's go. And that's how it's as flush is normal. Yeah, so that was a great flush.
He got this at a garage sale.
Yeah.
It's actually pretty cool, and I'm actually pretty jealous.
It's called double flush because of how
Oh
high.
yeah, and we're happy of Team Coco. Go Team Coco.
Alright, here we go. Look at that.
Watch it, it'll go down. And then it'll go down, and the brown one, and get stuck underneath the actual toilet.
Oh shit, I broke my toilet.
Did you really?
Gerber Mt Vernon
Wait,
with a crane trip lever.
now. That didn't sound good. It's going again. It's going again. We honestly should have. We should honestly. So again.
Quiet! Alright, that's the toilet flush. See ya. Here we go. Push it. See, that's how her flushes.